morning students. So in last video we saw this poem Recess. In this poem the fun during the recess or break time which we enjoy in our school, this was all about the recess, and the poem was all the fun things and playing with our friends. This is all about our recess poem. Then I have given you homework to write the hard words and then complete the question answers. Hope you have completed your homework. So in this video we are going to see our new chapter, that is your own book of science. Your own book of science. This is part 1. So in next video we are going to see the part 2. So first of all I will read this whole experiment. This is one experiment. Okay. एक्सपेरिमेंट मीन्स हम जो नई नई चीज़ें इन्वेंट करते हैं हमारे साइंटिस्ट लोग, तो फिर वो पहले एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करते हैं, कुछ भी ट्राई करते हैं, उसके बाद ही वो इन्वेंट करते हैं. तो उसी टाइप का एक सिंपल एक्सपेरिमेंट यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. यू मे come across simple but amazing science experiments in magazines, newspaper, supplements or on the internet. देखो, your own book of science means what? In which there are experiments and biological, chemical or physiological things are there. This is known as science. Okay. So science also involves experiments. So this is your own book of science in which there is one experiment is given, so you can try another experiments as well at your home by using internet. Already you have seen many simple but amazing which the experiments amaze us, मीन्स हमको बहुत हैरान करते हैं ऐसे सिंपल एक्सपेरिमेंट्स. तो वो हमने कहाँ देखे होंगे? मैगजीन्स में, न्यूज़पेपर में, सप्लीमेंट्स में या फिर इंटरनेट पे. मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स वी सॉ इन द इंटरनेट, because today internet we are more familiar to the internet than newspaper or magazines. So collect any 5 to 8 experiments you like. This is one homework which I have giving you uh, within the video. This is first homework I am giving you within the video, so you have to complete it. Collect any 5 to 8 experiments you like. Okay, you can find it from internet or any other source like magazine, newspaper or supplements. Okay. You can take help of your parents or your teachers whether the experiments are safe. Only those experiments which are safe, means there are no use of any scissor or any unsafe things, which that experiments only you have to take. Okay, take those experiments only which are safe. Okay, then carry out the experiments. If necessary, take help of parents or teachers. Record the experiments on the separate sheets of your own book of science. An example is given below. So what you have to do is that you have to collect any 5 to 8 experiments. You have to take you have to carry out the experiments, means you have to do the experiments, and then you have to record, means write the experiments in your notebook, means how you have done your your experiments. Then the one example is given when how you have to write the or record the experiments. So simple experiment is there. You can see this picture. In this picture there is ice cube, salt, common salt, namak, and thread means dhaga. Ice cube, salt and thread is there for this simple experiment. So first of all I am going to read this record, means this is one experiment, and in this type only you have to write your 5 to 8 experiments. Okay. In a simple experiment, lifting ice. What is the name of this experiment? Is lifting ice. If you wanted to lift ice without touching it, what do you do? Read on to find out. अतः अब देखो, हमें अगर इस आइस क्यूब को लिफ्ट करना है, मीन्स Lifting means what? To lift it up means उठाना. Lift करना है इस ice cube को without touching it. So what we have to do? We have to follow these steps. What we need for doing this experiment. First of all, ice cubes, then thread, and then common salt. Ice cube, thread, and common salt. What you do means what you need. These are the needs of for doing these experiments. And then what do you do? How to carry on this? Experiment. So these are the steps. Place an ice cube on a dish. We have to take one dish like this and then place the ice cube on that dish. After that, place a piece of thread on it. Place a piece of thread on the ice cube. Okay? We have placed the thread on the ice cube. Then sprinkle some common salt and near the thread on the ice cube. Then we have to sprinkle the common salt on the ice cube, on the thread, and near the thread. Okay, we have taken one dish. After that we have put the ice cube on the dish. After that we have placed thread. After that we have put some common salt on the thread and near the thread. Wait for few seconds. Then we have to wait for few seconds. Okay, hold the two ends of the thread and pick them up carefully. Then we have to hold the two ends of the thread just like this. Okay, hold one end and then another end of the thread and carefully we have to pick them up. What happens? We will then observe. This is the last step of the experiment. We have to observe what happens. You can see here we can lift the ice up without touching the ice cube. We can hold it up with the help of this thread and the common salt. Try placing the thread in different ways to lift the ice. You can place just one end of the thread on the ice cube and lift the ice with the other end. You can lift the ice without touching the both of the two ends. You can touch only or you can pick only one end of the thread. ओके, सिर्फ हम अगर एक एंड को पकड़ते हैं, दूसरा एंड हमने आइस क्यूब के ऊपर ही या फिर नीचे ही छोड़ दिया है, तो भी हम उसको आइस को लेफ्ट कर सकते हैं, उठा सकते हैं. मीन्स डिफरेंट वेज हमको करके देखने हैं कि कितना स्ट्रॉन्ग है वो थ्रेड. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव लर्न दिस experiment. Hope you have understood, and what you have to do is that this is your homework. You have to collect any 5 to 8 experiments you like. This is all your which you like, and that experiment should be safe. You can ask me or your parents or your elder brothers sisters. Okay, hope you have understood the experiment. Complete your homework. Thank you.